Hi everyone! In this video, I will tell you how to create such a twisted text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First step, I will create a new layer. In this tutorial, I will type twisted text, scale up the text section so that it looks bigger. If the distance between letters is too close, you can adjust it through Properties. After the text section is selected, right-click. Then choose Create Outlines. If it has been done, select the symbols icon. Then select Brushes. And then create a new brush. In the New Brush window, select Pattern Brush, then choose OK. So that there is space between the words, I will increase the spacing value to 4%. Then choose OK. Create a circle shape using the Ellipse tool. Click Swap Fill and Stroke so that the circle has no color on the inside. After that, select Symbols again, Brush, then select the pattern brush that was created earlier. The next step, change the shape of the uniform. In this tutorial, I use Width Profile 4, and I will rotate it a few degrees. If it is appropriate, select Effect in the menu at the top. Distort and Transform, Transform. In the Transform Effect window, I changed the horizontal and vertical values to 88%. And the rotation angle is 10 degrees. In this text, I'm going to copy it 14 layers. Select OK. And after that, click Object on the menu. Then choose Expand Appearance. If it has been done, ungroup all text layers. Here I will select several layers of text alternately. And after that, I will change the color of the selected text. If you want to add variations to the position, you can use the Free Transform tool. I will change the position by using the Free Distort tool. And the result will be like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.